Hi guys, brand new video on the channel. We've got the first in the UK Audi RS6-GT. Only 660 worldwide and 60 units in the UK. This one's coming in for full car PPF and the guys are prepping it now next to the Revuelto that's also getting full PPF. Film manufacturer's coming all the way up from London tomorrow to 3D scan the entire car and pattern the front bumper, back bumper to make sure the film is pre-cut and fits perfect. As it's the first in the UK, there's no patterns available yet, so we will be the first to be installing this kit on this model car in the UK, maybe even worldwide. So come along and I'll show you a bit of the process and what goes into it. Let's cut to the car in our PPF bay, prepped and ready for the pattern process.
RS6 in the PPF bay, ready for Pro Film to come tomorrow morning, pattern the car for us, because it's so different to the standard RS6. There's no current patterns on the system, so our manufacturer coming up. Following on from what Miles was mentioning earlier in the video, we're now in the process of applying paint protection film to the car. As you can see, our KD's fit in the full rear quarter thanks to Pro Film who have patterned it for us. Let's get a close up of him PPF in. Keep watching the video, you'll see some more behind the scenes of us fitting the PPF.
It was always me versus me, it was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those eyes. Got up and I beat those eyes. It's understood. It was always me versus me, it was never me versus you. And now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job just how I should. It was always me versus me, it was never me me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. That's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you, and now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job. Just how I should got. Yeah. That guy. It was never but you. That guy. Yeah. That guy. It was never but you. I feel it all. I'm feeling numb. I lost my soul. It's on the run. I need a spot. I need some fun. I'm in the dark. Like what's to come? It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. It's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you, and now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job. Just how I should. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you. Misunderstood. Get up, had to beat those odds. Got up and I beat those odds. That's understood. It was always me versus me. It was never me versus you, and now I'm good. Wake up and I do my part. Wake up and I do my job. Just how I should. Yeah. It was never versus you.
It's not just the panels you see that we PPF, we even PPF under the car.
It's do or die. I chose.
So, full car PPF kit completed now. I think you last saw us, we were fitting the PPF. So I'll take you around the car now and I'll talk you through why we had to get Profil up from London to pattern the car for us. So the bonnet and wings, full carbon. As you can see on this GT edition, we have got the carbon vents. So Profil had to pattern that for us. The headlights are thinner than the standard RS6. We've got vinyl being applied here from Audi on the front splitter, which isn't originally on the car. The front wings all the way through to the doors has got an extra swage line here for the vinyl to stop, and it's also got an intake here around the GT badge. The sills are different, and obviously you've got all the vinyl on the doors there, which the original one doesn't have, sorry, the standard one. Then coming around the back, it has an extra lip here on the boot, so that's had to be patterned. The diffuser is all different, and the rear bumper as well. And then, did you mention that was different?
Yeah.
So that's obviously got vinyl on as well, so we've had to make sure there's no halo effect around there, and PPF on that sits perfectly. Other than that, I think obviously the same on this side. On the inside as well, we have PPF, the centre console, and this section here as well. If Miles just pans the camera around. Just this panel here, we PPF that for the customer, and then obviously the full centre console, thanks to Profil. So obviously we do feel extremely lucky to have this car in. We are the first PPF company in the UK, I believe, to receive this car. The customer drove it from his local Audi dealer straight to us, literally within half an hour of him picking the car up. So he's itching to get the car back. I think he feels very lucky to receive the car. He's been buying Audis his whole life. So hopefully he enjoys this one. Fully protected, don't have to worry about any stone chips. Cut to some finished shots of the RS6-GT.
Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash. Get money, get money. It's bam, bam, bam. Hey, it's bam, bam. She wanna flick for the gram. Plus, her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Full lines are better, I pull up.
papi te paga los biles, pero quiero todo lo tuyo. Prefieres hacerlo conmigo que siempre lo hacemos bien duro. I bought a Benz, straight from the trap, I don't like paying no taxes. I don't need friends, solo una mami, papi te enseño what racks is. Me and my chick, we got a chick, yeah we treat her like a pet. She keep it G, she keep it tranqui, but she be down with the set. Ay, me and my chick, we got a chick, yeah we treat her like a pet. Ay, EBK if you all in the way, you in the field with a vet. Ay, spam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Four lines are better, I pull up. Ay, spam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Four lines are better, I pull up. Vestido Mbappe, rich como Mbappe, I can never let her up stop me. In the backseat, I'm with your chick, I love it when she be on top me. Windows black, that's a fact, she don't even mind getting sloppy. Shoot her outside, holding it down, si le digo que hace y la copy. Ábrame la ventana para ventilar este humo. No way, Mr. Officer, soy un trap star, so you know. Fumo, bebo, vendo, ¿qué le digo? You know where I'ma send you. Spam, bam, she wanna flick for the gram. Plus her baby sabe who I am, so she wanna do it all on cam. Like, hold up, sabe how to hold a pull up. Soon as we done, I'ma roll up. Four lines are better, I pull up. Dame la plata, plata. Cash, cash, cash.